To install a Toja Grid privacy wall using our Knect brackets, first gather the hardware and the necessary lumber. First, measure and mark the location of each post evenly. Place your Knect brackets over the ends of the lumber. Place the post on your structure, lining up the middle of the bracket with the markings you made, and fasten with screws. Repeat. Apply caps. And enjoy.